everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assess. In today's video, I will teach you how to recover your PlayStation account on your device. So in order to recover your PlayStation, first you need to log in. So this process is one of the easiest and quickest way of getting your account or recovering your account on your device. So follow the step and watch the video till the end. So first go to your web browser and on top there's a search bar, type www.playstation.com. So as you land inside a profile page, go to your upward right hand side corner and on top there is a sign in option. Tap on it. So in order to sign in, first you need to enter your email address. Now enter your email address and tap on next. So on the password option, just leave it blank and tap on trouble signing in. So next there are different options. So if you forgot your password, tap on reset your password, and if you don't have an account, tap on create a new one. Still having trouble, so tap on get sign in help. So as I forgot my password, so tap on reset your password. So once again enter your email address. So on the other page there is reset your password. A link to reset your password will be sent to your email address associated with your sign in ID. So now enter your email address so that a link could be sent to your email and tap on send email. Now check for the email or a verification. So as you can see that I already got my verification or change password notification. So on the bottom there is change password, so tap on it. So next you need to verify your identity for your security purpose. So now you need to enter your date of birth, so tap on continue. Now enter your date of birth, and if you don't remember your birth date or if you're having confusion, so tap on choose another method. And if you're sure about your date of birth, so tap on continue. So now here you can see that you get to change your password or create a new password. Now re-enter your password, and after you finish entering your new password, tap on OK. And you can see that you have successfully reset your password. So tap on OK. Now you can sign in with your email address. Now you need to sign in. So now enter your email address and tap on next. And now enter the new password that you created recently. And here you can see that I'm logged in. That means that I recovered my account, and this is how you can recover your account on PlayStation. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And thank you for watching.